Hi everyone, I'm doing a quick video of the flowers that I just cut today. It is super windy outside in January, so I thought that I cut them in order to enjoy instead of letting the wind ruin the bloom. So I'm going to show you what each one is. This one right here is not open yet, but the wind has been beating it pretty bad. So this one is Spirit of Freedom by David Austin. So I'll do another video to show you when it fully open. This one is called Douglas Gandy. I haven't had this rose for very long. Just got this one in fall of last year. And this one is Mary Rose. This is not a very popular David Austin rose, but it is quite beautiful. I like this one. This is one of the very first David Austin rose that I have, and it's almost 2 years old. Now this one, I am not quite sure I get the right rose. I ordered Lady Jane Grey from Heirloom Roses, but the color doesn't look quite the same. So it might be Lady of the Mist or some other rose, I'm not sure, but the color is quite unique. It's like amber color. Now the outer petals, I don't know why it's that way. Might be from moisture or something, but the color inside is quite pretty. I love this one. This one must be about a year and a half. And the last one right here, the yellow, my favorite one is Sparkle and Shine. This is Weeks Rose. This one blooms all year round. This is one of the oldest roses that I have in my garden. It's about maybe 6 or 7 years old by now. So these are some of the roses that are still blooming here in Houston, Texas as of January 15.